Ghost Glass Film Unboxings. When opening the package, use a shallow blade cut to slice the tape. There's no need to cut deep. Carefully slide the rolled film out of the box and place it onto a flat surface. Use another shallow cut to remove the bubble wrap and foam. As you do this, make sure the blade never comes into contact with the film itself. Next, remove the clear tape by pulling from the center of the roll outward toward the edge. When removing the blue tape, always pull in the direction of the roll, avoid pulling into the edge of the film. Once the tape is removed, slowly roll the film until the edge rests flat on the surface. From there, begin rolling the tube in the opposite direction as needed to prepare for installation. Ghost Glass TM film ready to install. Proper ways to handle the film. Improper ways to handle the film. Larger pieces of film are prone to kinks when improperly handled.